Para saan ba itong Smart Fader feature na to? Smart Fader is a feature found sa mga Pioneer DJ pati Alpha Theta controllers. Ang gagawin niya is isi-sync niya yung BPM ng dalawang kanta kahit gaano pa kalaki yung pagkakaiba nila in tempo, tapos mag-a-apply pa siya ng effects. Let me demonstrate. So may dalawang kanta tayo dito sa record box. To the left, 100 BPM and to the right, 140 BPM. Malaking talon yun in tempo, diba? So usually ang gagawin natin in order to go up to 140 BPM, either babagalan natin ng konti, pinapatugtog natin ng mga kanta, we're gonna do it in sequence. Pero now that we have sync technology with digital DJing, you can actually do that pretty easily using just your controller and the software. Now, of course, meron siya gawin mano-mano using the tempo faders, and that's what I actually do whenever I DJ. But if you're just starting out, you may want to try this. It's just a cool little trick that you can employ in your sets. So I'm gonna hit play on the song here sa left deck. Tapos, ipi-play ko rin yan dito sa right. Pero, bago ko galawin yung crossfader from the left deck over onto the right, i-enable natin yung smart fader. Let's see how that works. So, naka-play na tayo. I'll enable smart fader. I-play ako dito ng right deck. Ganyan. And then I'm gonna move it from the left to the right. Pansinin mo yung tempo nitong dalawang kanta.